What up YouTube? In today's video we're going to continue where we left off and put the exhaust on the 350 just to see how it sounds. I know it's going to sound pretty good. 6-speed manual. Oh yeah. Let's see the camera. There we go. Inside the shop now. Perfect. Thing is super clean. Bone stock. But that's besides the point. So in today's video, we're gonna be there she is, everyone. The tomei we're gonna be putting on the 350. I gotta find some bolts for the back. I think they're like 14-inch bolts. I already have the gaskets inside the shop. Maybe I go to Lexus and get the blind bolts. Alright guys, I have the Jeep up. Alright guys, I have the 350Z up in the air, as you see. Check it out. We're gonna see how we take off this exhaust. Should be pretty simple. And mount up the other one. Hear it. Alright boys, so we're gonna go under the car. We're gonna show you the things to take off. Alright, so we got a grommet position right here. We got another one right here. I think I'm just gonna take off this top bolt and then maybe take these two off right here. We got a grommet right here and this right here. I did hit that shit with PB Blaster. I do want to get an aftermarket white pipe, but right now I think I'm gonna put the tomei on, and that's pretty much it. I do have a carbon fiber drive shaft, and I think this is a new diff because 31k miles question mark. And I think the engine's basically new on this Z, so I think it has a low mile engine and new diff, and it looks like a new transmission. But I think the third gear is grabbing, or the something's grabbing when you go to third gear. But overall, it goes into all the gears. And your transmission, I think, only has like 50-something thousand miles. So. Well guys, the bolt is seized and stripped, so I bought a stripping kit with an adapter right here. So we're gonna use this and take that shit out, because oh my god, it's already been like an hour. I should have been doing this in 30 minutes, but it's been like an hour to 2 hours trying to take this bolt out. So this should work. Well guys, I got this piece out. All I gotta do is take off the exhaust, but I need an air hammer because the studs on the white pipe are stuck. But I had to grind off the studs and the bolt. Now I'm just missing the white poly. Now I'm missing the white pipe bolts to air hammer out, and I could put the tomei on. I think I'm just gonna mock it up right now, to be honest with you, and just try to finish the project. And then tomorrow, when I get time, I'll just air hammer the shit away. Alright guys, I took it off. It took me probably 30 minutes. All I did was loosen this two bolts right here. This one, you should be able to move this around, see? And then lubricate this, put your foot right here, and then pull from the back and pull towards you. This one, you see, I didn't take from here. I put a flathead right here, inside there, and I pulled it towards me, and pulling the flathead right here and pulling it towards me, and I got that off.
So now, all that's left is to take out the studs on the white pipe, put the tomei on, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna look good. There it is, guys. Custom tomei. I gotta fix the bolt in the bottom, but this is how it is so far. Pretty cool. It bolts up, but I gotta do some tweaking. I gotta make a bracket over there so I can put it higher. This I have to, you know, fix better, but in due time. As you see, things are falling apart, but this is the mock-up so far. Overall, looks pretty good. All right, boys, y'all gonna be the first ones to hear it. Put you down right here. That's a pretty good spot. Let's see how it sounds. Exhaust leaks from hell, y'all. Alright, boys, everything's back on. I have him welding a part on for this exhaust right now. So it goes like this. Overall, looks pretty good. So yeah, and now next video is gonna be me lowering it, probably getting the body kit for this, painting it. I have plans for this car. Boom, and just like that, the tomei is on, everything's on. We welded the pipe. I put some adhesive shit. It still has an exhaust leak at the white pipe, but I'm thinking I'm gonna buy a white pipe, but not right now. Maybe in the future. I could live with a little exhaust leak. After all, I do plan on keeping this car, maybe doing the whole KBD body kit. It's pretty nice. I already have 3-piece wheels in mind. But so far, I'm actually enjoying this little build. It took me 2 days to do the exhaust, which kind of sucks. This thing is pretty heavy. That was annoying. But overall, look at it. That thing is pretty clean, is it not? Pretty damn clean. But yeah, this is it so far. Pretty damn clean. Wheels are ass, but that's beside the point. But that tomei though, that tomei, that shit is fire. It is kind of low, but we'll fix that later on. But yeah, so far I'm loving it. Sounds pretty good, y'all. Yeah, I would downshift, but overall sounds pretty good. Alright guys, oh, you guys are a little bit dirty. Let me clean you guys up. Alright guys, so the whole exhaust is off. I'm gonna take out the white pipe. I'm gonna try to drill, get a new white pipe. I already got everything over there. On my light, I'm gonna buy a flange because this thing is way too low. I have to readjust this clamp right here. I think I'm gonna move it further back and some other stuff. So yeah, I gotta make something. Alright boys, let me clean the camera. It's clogged up. Alright boys, check it out. We had to weld it. Alright boys, I got some exhaust, some bolts. We're gonna see if it fits in here. I hope it does, because if not, I gotta go to Lexus, my old job, and get some bolts. Well, that should be enough. I believe it's a 14. It's a 14 in the rear. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go mock it up. Alright guys, this is how it sits as of right now. I have everything zip tied. I have the flange. I'm gonna do some epoxy steel or JB weld. The bolts on the back are new. We had to torch them out. I make this piece right here. That's for the time being. I'm gonna buy some sleeves. Obviously, this is just a mock-up. The car isn't gonna go anywhere for probably 2 weeks. I'm building the car. I decided to keep it. But this is the first video installing a tomei on the 350Z. Alright, so what he was telling me in Spanish, guys, we're gonna put some epoxy steel over here, and then he said it might leak, so he's gonna put more epoxy steel around the edges. But so far, this is how it is. I'm gonna get a 3-inch over here. This is a 4-inch, and we're gonna be taking out the Y pipe right now. We're gonna burn through it. I already got my zip ties to tie it from each of the angles, and that's pretty much it. My employee welded the tomei. I have the new flanges. This one came in today, which is a 3-inch. This is a 4-inch. He put epoxy steel around it and inside it as well. So this is how it is. So it's not leaking anymore. So all I'm waiting for now is the Y pipe, which should be coming in a few days, which I'm waiting for. Everything is loose under here. So yep.